Hey, I'm going to show you today how to replace the front blower motor on your 2011 Toyota Sienna. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is remove this hook from the glove compartment box to get the glove compartment box to lower all the way down. Then, if you raise your hands up, then you're going to push in on each side of the glove compartment box until you can pop it out, like that. So if you look behind the glove compartment, once you've taken it out, there's a white piece right here. That's your blower fan. We're going to unscrew the 4 screws that are holding it in, but first we're going to unplug the power supply, which is right up in here. So first you want to disconnect the power, and you can unscrew the 3 screws, I think it is, holding the blower fan on. So just to give you guys a better view of what you'll see when you're under here, you're probably gonna have to lay on your back to replace this. So there's, like I said, 3 screws, and when you're putting the new motor back in, there's this thing right here that fits right into the motor, to a part on the motor. So you can there's a hole right there that matches, so that it puts the screws in the right place, so you won't have to worry about that. And then you just screw it back in, plug the power supply back in, and you're done. Okay, so we're going to show you how to put the now that your fan's put in, show you how to put the glove compartment back on. Really, you don't have to take the glove compartment box off, but it just gives you more room to work, and I'd recommend it. So when you put the glove compartment box back on, you actually want it to be almost upside down as you snap it back into place. And you just want to get it back in on these little bars here. And then when you bring it back up again, this little part here stretches down. You can pull it down and just reattach it to the glove compartment. And then you're going to just pop the glove, push in the sides again to pop the glove compartment back in place, and it closes, and you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching.